Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your IP address during calls on WhatsApp. Now, by default, WhatsApp calls are end-to-end encrypted, which means your conversations are secure. But in some cases, calls may connect peer-to-peer, which can briefly expose your IP address to the other caller. So if you want to prevent that, there's a built-in setting you can turn on. First, go ahead and open your WhatsApp and go to settings. Simply click the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. Then choose settings. From here, you want to tap on privacy. And inside privacy, scroll all the way down and look for advanced. Here, you'll see an option called protect IP address and calls. All you have to do is toggle that option on. When this setting is enabled, WhatsApp routes your calls through its servers instead of connecting directly peer-to-peer, and this helps mask your IP address from the other person on the call. The only trade-off is that the call quality might be slightly affected depending on your connection, but for most people, the difference is very minimal. And that's it. Now you know how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp calls. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.